I got my new cruiser board 2 weeks ago, and it has been raining like forever. It finally stopped. It's coming to be a nice day today, so I thought I would tell you a little bit about my new board. It's a normal stereo cruiser board, or it's the glow in the dark model, and nothing special. I'm just going to show something about it. So what I did, I put some grip tape because I like to have grip tape on it, and this one right here is what makes my cruiser board special. I did the sticker thing by myself, and also this has these super cool pink trucks. The big truck thing is kind of weird because I've been forever wanting to have pink trucks, but the color of the trucks is not a priority, so I'm just never got around it. And when I was choosing my board, what I would get, I had two options: green one or this white one with the pink trucks, and I honestly went this for the pink trucks. It's pretty good board. I just have two little complaints. I think it's little too high to push, but it's just probably my preference and I'm not used to it. Then the other thing is just that I don't know, I would like the bushings, or the rubber parts on the trucks. I would like them to be a little softer. I'm probably going to change them to super soft.